Welcome to ValueQuest, where we explore ways to maximize life's value. Whether it's through smarter living, better financial choices, or embracing exciting new lifestyles. Today we're diving into something that's more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle shift that's turning heads and reshaping how people think about homeownership and personal freedom, the tiny house movement. If you've ever dreamed of owning a beautiful, efficient, and sustainable home that's ready to go without the stress of a massive mortgage or endless DIY projects, stick around. We'll share 3 exceptional prefabricated tiny houses, each offering something unique. And later, we'll reveal a surprise feature you might not expect from a tiny home, one that could completely redefine your perspective on what's possible in small living. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ValueQuest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you considered tiny house living, or are you just curious about the possibilities? We'd love to hear from you. Let's start with why the tiny house movement is captivating so many people. It's more than just downsizing, it's about maximizing. Imagine waking up in a home where every square foot serves a purpose. There's no clutter, no unused guest rooms, and no wasted energy. Just you and the things that truly matter. Tiny houses are also about freedom. Financial freedom, environmental freedom, and even location freedom. By reducing the cost of living, many tiny house owners find they can save more, work less, and spend time doing what they love. And for the eco-conscious, these homes offer a chance to significantly lower your carbon footprint, with many options incorporating energy-efficient materials and sustainable designs. If that isn't enough, the portability of many tiny houses means you're not tied to one place. Your home moves when you're ready for a new adventure. Tiny living also inspires creativity. When every square foot matters, you start to think outside the box, utilizing multi-purpose furniture, smart storage solutions, and flexible layouts that transform as needed. Tiny house living is also about finding joy in simplicity. In a world where we are often overwhelmed by consumerism, tiny homes encourage you to pare down to the essentials, fostering a more meaningful connection to your belongings and your surroundings. Many owners report feeling liberated by the lack of clutter and inspired to spend more time outdoors or pursuing hobbies they love. The lifestyle is more than practical, it's fulfilling. Now let's talk about the first standout in the tiny house market, the Henan Yugong Machinery Equipment Company luxury prefab house. This high-end option offers both elegance and practicality. It's fully prefabricated, arriving ready to use with a spacious modern layout. The luxury prefab house features a sleek design with high-quality materials, making it feel more like a boutique apartment than a tiny home. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable living area, a bathroom, and a bedroom, all arranged to maximize comfort and functionality. One of the standout features of this model is its exceptional insulation and energy efficiency. Whether you're living in a hot or cold climate, this house keeps your utility costs low while maintaining a comfortable environment. It also incorporates advanced soundproofing, creating a serene retreat from the outside world. Its clean, contemporary design appeals to those who value both style and practicality in a home. For example, the integrated smart systems allow you to control lighting and temperature with ease, making it perfect for tech-savvy homeowners. The kitchen comes with full-sized appliances, ensuring that even culinary enthusiasts feel right at home. With its prefabricated convenience, the Henan Yugong luxury prefab house is ideal for anyone seeking a turnkey solution to tiny living. You'll feel like you've stepped into a high-end sanctuary that just happens to be compact and efficient. Next up is the Shahtaj Homes Double-Storey Barn. This unique option combines rustic charm with innovative design. It's a prefabricated 2-story structure that provides plenty of space while retaining the compactness and efficiency of tiny living. With a barn-inspired aesthetic, it's perfect for those who love a cozy countryside vibe. The double-story barn includes a fully functional kitchen, a bathroom, and multiple living areas spread across 2 levels. The upper floor serves as a spacious bedroom or additional storage, while the ground floor offers a comfortable living and dining space. Large windows and high ceilings create an open, airy feel, making the barn seem much larger than its footprint. This model also incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, ensuring sustainability without compromising charm. One standout feature is the customization options available, from adding skylights for natural light, to incorporating a wraparound porch that expands your living area. Whether used as a primary home or a serene vacation retreat, the Shahtaj Homes Double-Storey Barn effortlessly blends modern functionality with rustic elegance. Finally, let's explore the Yulu Machinery Expandable Prefab House. This ingenious design takes versatility to the next level. The expandable prefab house arrives in a compact form and unfolds into a spacious, fully functional home. This unique feature makes it ideal for those who need a flexible living solution, whether for a permanent residence, a guest house, or a temporary retreat. Once expanded, the Yulu Prefab House offers a comfortable layout with a kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. Its clever design maximizes space while maintaining a modern and stylish look. The house is built with durable materials to withstand various climates, and its energy-efficient features make it an environmentally friendly choice. One of its standout qualities is its quick assembly. The house can be set up and ready to use in a matter of hours. Additionally, the Yulu house includes innovative features like fold-out patios and hidden storage compartments that enhance its functionality and livability. For individuals who value adaptability, this home truly delivers. It transitions seamlessly from a compact form to a luxurious living space with just a few adjustments. The portability of this house also makes it a favorite for those who crave adventure and flexibility. Before we wrap up, let's revisit that hidden feature I promised earlier. In some tiny homes, like certain models of the Yulu Expandable House, you'll find ingenious space-saving solutions, hidden storage compartments, fold-away furniture, and even multifunctional walls that transform with the push of a button. These clever details make tiny living not only possible but also surprisingly luxurious. It's proof that with thoughtful design, you can have both comfort and utility in a compact space. Tiny homes represent more than a living arrangement. They're a mindset. They encourage you to focus on what truly matters, whether it's financial independence, sustainability, or the freedom to explore. The tiny house lifestyle is about embracing simplicity and intentionality while still living beautifully. And as we've seen today, prefabricated options like the Henan Yugong luxury prefab house, Shahtaj Homes Double-Storey Barn, and Yulu Machinery Expandable Prefab House prove that you don't have to sacrifice style, functionality, or convenience to embrace this lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the tiny house lifestyle. If you're intrigued by any of the homes we've discussed, check out the links in the description. They'll take you directly to authorized products, ensuring you get exactly what you're looking for. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ValueQuest, and let us know in the comments which tiny house caught your eye. Until next time, live smarter, not harder.